So guys, yun na nga, lumabas na si Logan, or should we say, Old Man Logan. So ayan guys, so this is a 1/9 scale, so most likely it is at around 9 inches tall guys, alright, with the base, sabihin natin mga 9.2 to 9.4. Okay, articulation wise naman ito guys, upon doing it earlier, if you notice a video, I would say na it's at around 22 points of articulation. Ang seamless body kasi guys is made, all of this is made of PVC plastic, and yung PVC plastic joints niya is covered by silicone plastic. Ayan. Kaya kung makikita nyo din sa video, pinipisil-pisil ko. Ayan o. Nasa loob siya. So, most of the articulation, kahit 22 points of articulation ng joints, hindi mo siya magagalaw sa gusto mo, like the McFarlane Toys or the Marvel Legends na joints, okay? Kasi nga, dahil dito sa silicone na to, some articulation hinders the movement of the body itself. Ayan, kagaya niyan, no? Diba? And, by the way guys, kapag naka-seamless body kayo na action figure, regardless if it's Hot Toys, somebody toys na 1/9 scale or any kind of scale, basta naka-seamless body kayo guys, it is prone to overstretching. Kaya, you would rather mag-ingat or be careful on stretching. Yan, no? Kagaya niyan, pag in-stretch nyo kasi, ayan, kagaya niyan, no? You would see the stretch marks na already, which can damage yung silicone covering ng joints. Okay? And kapag too much heat ang inyong toy area guys, hindi normal temperature, lalagkit, stickiness. Yan. Okay? Overall naman, maganda naman siya. Head sculpt pa lang, panalong-panalo, Old Man Logan. I just wish na sana ginawa ng somebody toys ng alternate head na with cigarette, alright? Or open mouth. Ano, napakaangas ng Old Man Logan na yan, no? Details pa lang sa chest part, kuwang-kuwa nyo. Yung huge Jackman hairy chest hair, ayan o, kuwang-kuwa. And then yung veins dun sa seamless body, ang napakaganda. Ayan, makikita nyo ugat-ugat ni Logan. Ayan o. Oh, sorry, hindi nyo makita. Ayan o, diba? So, soft goods, the usual. Ayan. Ayan yung polo niya, tinanggal ko. Ayan. So, pwede yung palitan ang clothes niya, yun yung maganda doon sa gantong action figure. Yun nga lang kasi bihira maglabas ng mga 1/9 scale or 9 inches sa figure na kasing height niya. Yun ang masasabi ko. Okay? And yung sa leg part, yun nga, dahil nga sa cloth, napaka slim fit yung kanyang pants, yung articulation na hinder. Okay? Kahit double jointed yung knees and everything, nahihinder siya. Okay? And articulation naman niya sa legs, ayan, prone din. Kaya ingat-ingat lang din na mag-move kayo kasi sa mga gantong klaseng action figure, mabilis mag-loosen to. Maliit lang ang ball peg niya. And again guys, kagaya niyan, ingat din kayo kasi yung claws nito natatanggal, as you would see. Ayan. So, ingatan ninyo yung claw. I just wish na they would do better dito sa action figure na to kung they have 2 pairs of alternate hand. Diba? One is with the claw na hindi na natatanggal, and the other one is without a claw. Para at least no hassle sa collector kapag magpapalit-palit ng hands, and para hindi na rin ma-misplace ang claw. Ang claw dito guys is metal. Okay? So, rarely tayo makahanap ng mga gantong extra parts kapag nawala. So, good luck na lang din. So, I give this at least a 8 out of 5 for this figure, for the articulation, kasi nahihinder nga ng lahat. Details wise, this is a 10 out of 10. If you are a Wolverine collector, it's a must to have. Okay? So, yan, binalik lang muna natin. But overall, for this one, I give it at least an 8.5 rating. That's only my opinion, on the overall action figure. So, madami pa siyang kulang, madami pa siyang kailangang improve. But the details on the body is overall a-okay. Alright? So, yun lang muna, guys. This is Sumo Rock Luna. Thank you for watching. And please do like and follow my page on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and on YouTube for more toy unboxing and toy review. So this is Sumo Rock Luna. Happy collecting, and always remember, collect responsibly, guys. Peace. Bye-bye.